Hello everyone, in today's Tax Tip episode, I'm going to discuss an important consideration when accessing information online, and that is the ability to make information accessible. Accessibility in this scenario means to make information available in a variety of format and media so that diverse needs are met, while also maintaining autonomy for those people. In today's episode, I'm going to demonstrate how to make content on the IRS website accessible to taxpayers who experience barriers in language, hearing, and vision. Beginning with languages, we can alter our experience by navigating to the top of the IRS webpage. Here, we can see an option that says English, as well as an arrow-like symbol. Whichever language is presented in this field indicates the language that is currently in use. By selecting the arrow, a drop-down menu appears with a list of 7 languages to choose from. Once selecting a language, the web page will quickly refresh and become available in that language. This preference will remain as it is unless the user alters it. You can perform the same function by scrolling to the bottom of the screen. However, if your language is not presented, select the option labeled Other Languages. Now we are redirected to a web page that lists additional languages. Much like before, selecting a language will translate the entire page. If language is not an issue, but hearing or vision is, then let me show you how a taxpayer can access information in other formats. Beginning at the IRS homepage, select the tab labeled Forms and Instructions. Next, select the tab labeled Accessible, which is located on the left-hand menu. Doing so provides the user with instructions on how to request information in Braille, large type, audio, and electronic formats, as well as links to printable versions of those forms. By scrolling down towards the bottom of the page, a link to American Sign Language videos is presented. Clicking the link will redirect us to a web page featuring a list of interactive ASL interpreted videos, their transcripts, as well as timestamps. If I click any one of these titles, I am directed to YouTube where the video will begin playing. In addition, I am provided access to a library of other ASL videos covering an array of tax-related topics on the right-hand side.